In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Minecraft server lag, high ping, and packet loss. Now the first thing we want to try is come here and search for CMD, right click and run as an administrator. In here you want to type ipconfig space /flush DNS. After that type netsh rinsock reset and press enter. Now it's going to say you have to restart your PC, but we're not going to do that just yet. After that, what we want to do is search for firewall and open up the Windows firewall. Then in here, what you want to do is you want to head over to advanced settings. In advanced settings, you want to press inbound rules and create a new rule. Select port, next, UDP, and in here you want to type 49152-65535. Press next again and allow the connection. Allow all three of these, next, and just call it Minecraft or something. After that, you can press finish and you can close this one down. After that, search for view, network connections. Find your internet, right click properties. Find internet protocol version 4 and go to properties. Use the following DNS 88888844, just like this. Press OK and then you can close this one down. Then what we want to do after this is we want to just head over to apps and features. Find Minecraft launcher in here. Click on it and click on advanced options. Then what you want to do in here is you're going to press terminate, repair and reset. After you've done that, you can just close it down. And then for the last thing, we're just quickly going to come in here and search for Windows Update. Just check if you have an update. If you have one, take it. If you don't, then just restart your PC. Now obviously if you have one, you want to restart your PC as well after. Just make sure you restart your PC at the end of all of this. Once you restarted your PC, it should hopefully work now. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.